Okay, hello. This is our first episode and I'm really happy to do this. It's a cooking show.
Welcome to Coco and Sandy's Food Adventure.
And my name is Coco and your name is? Sandy! Okay, let's lay down there. Sandy, what are we making today? French fries! Let's get started. Okay, now we're going to work on a little history. Where did meringues come from? Well, Atlas invented it. The Italians improved it. French says theirs, and even Polish have a claim to it. But who cares? We just love meringues. And we eat them right now. Where are they? Oh, right, we have to make them. Okay, now we're going to talk about the most important one. Tell us what it is. Teacher safety. What you need to do this show is you need a grown-up's help, obviously. You need to wash your hands for kiddies and grown-ups. And you need to tie back your hair. And the most two really dangerous things, mostly, are the electric mixer and the oven. They're just really dangerous. So the electric mixer, you could hurt yourself really badly, you could cut yourself, and for the oven, you could burn yourself very easily and badly.
Wash your hands with soap and don't forget to turn on the tap. That's how you do it, kids. Preheat the oven to 100 degrees Celsius.
Now, for our ingredients, we obviously need some delicious sugar. We need a little bit of salt. And of course we need eggs, but they need to be room temperature. Oh, and by the way, for the sugar, it's a custard sugar, but you can just keep it sugar.
The grown-up to break the eggs into the bowl.
Hold it together.
Okay, so carefully lift your egg yolk up into the bowl and swirl it around a bit and see how slimy it feels. Then gently pour it into the bowl and you're done. Put the egg whites into a clean mixing bowl and put the bowl into the mixer. Don't forget to put the safety on.
Okay, have a grown-up turn the mixer on, and then just beat the eggs for 1 minute. Solid.
After a minute, add the salt and whisk again.
Get it fluffy.
Then, add the sugar and continue. After a few minutes, check the stiffness of the meringue. Wow, it's really runny. We need to do some more mixing. And now, wow, we have firm pink. The sugar has not dissolved. See? If you're looking close there, there's still some bumps, that means sugar. And spoon it into bowls and add lots of nice colour. But not too much, Sandy. Where do I put this one? And then screen them onto a tray with baking paper.
Let's bake them!
And then get help from a grown-up to put it in the oven. Bake it in the oven for 2 hours.
What you've all been waiting for. Da, da, da. Here they are. So we made some pink and then we also made some white.
Yum and crunchy. Hope you give us thumbs up. Please tell us what you like cooking and what we should do next. Bye bye from Coco and Sandy.